one day away from game day, and this is where most athletes make the biggest mistake. Some people are treating it like a complete rest day. Others are treating it like any other training day. Both are going to hurt performance on game day. Today is all about priming, not resting. I'm going to show you how to get it done. Let's get into it. It's all going to start with your hips, your T-spine, your shoulders, and your ankles. Those are the areas that get the most tight after a week of sitting, working, moving around, and they're going to affect your game day. Now, static stretching, this is where most people get it wrong. That is just stretching. We want to be dynamic. We want to raise the body temperature. If game day is the first time you've moved somewhat fast all week, we're not doing it right. And this last piece is as mental as it is physical. We are trying to recharge the body. So obviously we're not chasing PRs, we're not chasing hard workouts, but we're not trying to do anything that's mentally taxing today either. Rest, relax, go for a walk, get a little sunshine, but shut it down. Tomorrow's how you perform. Today is how you prepare. I hope this series helped. If you want more context on 2 game days, make sure you drop that in the comments, and never settle with yesterday.